Hi, my name is Okoye Miriam, a graduating student of Max-Migold, batch number 23. Indeed, God be praised that the journey ended in praise. I'm a practicing facility operations manager with area of specialty in soft FM. I will say that this program has helped broaden my understanding of core facility principles, both in the hard FM and in the soft FM. Truly, it has helped me become very analytical, encourage my outcome and my processes, helping me to coordinate maintenance practices, drive HSE compliance, and cover a lot of set targets. I would also say that this program has opened me to different connections that I couldn't have imagined to have attained. The connection, the innovation, the training, and the motivations to do more comes with this program. It's a bag full of opportunity. It's a program that one needs to recommend in the long run. I want to thank you, Mr. Erubami, for giving us this platform to grow, to expound. Thank you for all the teachers that taught us well. Thank you for my colleagues who made this journey seamless.